Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the TRW stabilizer sway bar links used in the video through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, you need to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We do strongly suggest watching the tutorial, safely lifting your vehicle before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to put them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Then release and remove the upper ball joint on the stabilizer link bar. To do this, use a ratchet, an 18mm socket and a 5mm Allen key. Slow down the rotation of the ball joint using the Allen key and remove the nut with the 18mm socket. Remove the nut. Space is tight to access the lower ball joint. Use a 5mm Allen spanner, an adjustable spanner, and an 18mm open-ended spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Remove the nut, then remove the connecting rod.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the TRW parts and products used in the video in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar links. Put the sway bar link back in place. Roughly reinstall the nuts. Tighten the nuts using a 19mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on and put your vehicle back on the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.